Hello guys, this is leathertoolz. Today I'm super excited because of the one package that just arrived. This is one of the most anticipated package that I ever waited in my life, because in this package I kind of know what's inside of this package, but still I haven't seen the actual product yet. It is actually the Chartermade Mark II product. Yeah, it's especially made for me, that I chose what I would like to have as a handle material, but then still I haven't seen the real product, so it's still a bit of mystery. I haven't done an unboxing yet, so it's just really going to be my honest and genuine unboxing video. For a while I haven't done much of unboxing because I stopped buying new tools, but Chartermade Mark II is something, it's something really special. I know it's a. I'm super excited. Just let's open the package, yeah. So just to open the package now, yeah. Yeah, it quite arrived very fast. From South Africa to Germany, it took about only 1 week, so it's very fast. It's quite fast delivery. Let's open the package. I don't want to damage the box, so just be careful. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Ooh. Okay. So from this first one. Oh, they give you a card how to keep your blades clean or dry. Okay. Oilcloth. I'll give you here a look. You can read it for yourself. Now you can pause right there. You can read it. It's a very nice touch from them. Wow. Wow. I like that. All right. So. Oh, here also is a package. Yeah. You can contact them. Yeah. You can pause. You can read. It's such a nice, guys. Yeah. I have a lot to talk about Tarek from Chartermade, how he makes knives. But let's do the unboxing video in this video. I don't want to keep you guys too long for this. It's, oh, wow, what is this? Wow, okay. Wow. This is it's a handwritten artwork. Tarek and Shalene. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. Yeah. It's amazing artwork from them. It's such a sweet. Alright, so it's also leather. I'm sure this is some kind of strap. Yes, it is. I knew it. Yeah, it's just it's really nice touch. They included a package as a leather lining material also. They put their name here, Chartermade, and also put their strap so that you can use it as a strap as well. It's such a nice touch. Yeah. All right, so the first knife will be, I can already kind of see it, but haven't really seen it in real life. Warning, sharp edges, watch your fingers. Please be careful when removing the protection. Okay, I will remove carefully. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. This is Japanese leather knife, I assume. Yeah, Japanese leather knife for both hands. So you were lefty, which is I am. Righty, it doesn't matter. Just wow. Wow. It's just a clean look. This is amazing. So see, now I have a matching set. It's a giraffe bone, a white giraffe bone handle, which is very rare He seldom makes a white giraffe bone. It's a specially made, limited, a kind of very limited handle material. Wow, look at it! Almost looks like granite or porcelain. It's just wow. This is such a beautiful piece right here. Look at this. Can you guys see it? Mosaic pen. Also, such a nice, well finished. It has a black and also slight, very thin line of red liners between the steel and the handle material. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. Look at that. This is amazing. I'm going to do separate review videos on each of them, so bear with me. I just keep saying, you know, what really it's just amazing. Yeah, same carry instruction. Also the kind of bumping material that you can really protect your knives during the shipping. Another strop and also another artwork. Wow, I need to ask Terry what's this all about. It's such a handmade kind of things. Ah, look at this, leathertoolz, and it's a written with the tools here. Tarek's skiving knife and lap skiver and this pattern knife. Yeah, and his famous satchel bag. And wow. Yeah, sharp knife is a safe knife. Yeah, again, just wanted to show you guys. And this knife, what, have to carefully go to damage the knife. So let me, okay, so it's this side. Careful. Oh, this is a lap skiver. I'm left-handed, so this is left-handed, so don't get confused. Wow, man, this is amazing. Again, black and also very thin red liners. Wow. Again, matching set. Look at this. Boop. He really nailed it down how thin the scale should be. This is just amazing details. Some knives are very thick handled. I mean, there are a lot of knife makers in the world, guys. And I think he's one of the greatest knife maker in terms of the actual use of the knife and how he really gets into details of what he makes. It's just amazing. Look at this rounded edge on this part. I'm just going to do the separate review video on each of the items. Let's just look at it one by one very fast in this video. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's just such a beautiful knife, guys. Lap skiver. It's so light also, like how he really balances his knife is also amazing. I mean, this knife, I really like this knife. I almost couldn't use this knife because it's too beautiful, but then I started using it again, and the weight of the items are such a on the spot, guys. Man, I have a lot to talk about. Look at this mosaic pen again. It's a beautiful piece of art that he put onto his work. Man, this is such a nice knife. Such a nice knife. Full thread. Scandi grind, half Scandi. Yeah. This is amazing. And also last knife. This is just amazing, guys. This is one of the best tools you can ever get your hands on if you really act fast. You know, go to his website. They sell out really quick, guys. Like, you have to really move on. So go to his website and just buy it while you can. You know, it's a very popular. It's one of the greatest tools that you ever can get your hands on. In terms of heat treatment and also steel choices. He knows what he's doing. Wow, look at that. Jesus. This is a Mark II paring knife. I finally got my hands on. I do have a paring knife, Mark I. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot. I have talked about a lot in the video. And it is such an amazing tool. Wow. Now it's a Mark II. It's now full tank version. I'll also do the proper comparison with the Mark I as well when I review this this knife. It is such a beautiful tool. Wow. I can already, before I even really get on with my leather, I can just feel that this is such a wow. It feels great in the hand, guys. How does it do this? Like, you know, I'm a tool maker by myself. I also make tools. I mean, this knife, guys, I made it for by myself. This is my tool. This is my maker's mark, and also I put Berlin and 01, which is the type of steel that I use for this knife, and my maker's mark. It is a very crude tool. I mean, it's not pretty or fancy, but then I heat treated it to my likings, which is very hard, and it's just a crude tool. And I love making tools for myself because I like what I know what I like, and I just like to create things by myself. It's an exclusive tool. This is more of a shoemaker's knife, but I'm still using it for my leather work. But still, what I think really from Chartermade is what's great is he's very knowledgeable in knife making. He knows more than me. He's more experienced than me, and we sometimes talk about knives and steel, and he knows what he's doing. He's just a craftsman that he knows what he's doing. It's just a great work that he puts his effort and his knowledge and his experiences all put together in this knife. I can just feel it and I can see it. It's just from the experiences. His heat treatment is spot on. It's amazing that what he does with his craftsmanship. It's a beautiful knife. I'm so happy to receive this knife. I mean, it arrived safely, on time, and it's just it didn't get lost. I'm so happy because you don't get this type of material easily. It's such a nice handle material that you get your hands on. Wow, look at this. I mean, now I have a set of 3 and 4 knives which you will ever need for your crafting journey. Yeah, it's such a nice set that you can get your hands on. Yeah, this has a different finish. I got this for a while ago, and it's a different steel. This is D2. This is all N690, which is very similar to VG10, Japanese powder stainless steel. It's a very high quality premium powder stainless steel, and it's just it's amazing. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. You guys should get your, yeah. Look at this. They all have a same color lining material. I think this is supposed to be a red, but then it got a little darker during the polishing process, I think. But then I don't mind. I mean, it has a reddish tint to it. I like it a lot. You know, it's such an interesting color effect. Sorry guys, it's keep getting out of the focus. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, look at this. Jesus, it's such a beautiful tool, guys. What a beautiful tool right here. Wow, look at this. Yeah, this is just amazing. I mean, wow. My mind is blown away. I mean, it's such a high quality knives. It's I'm going to really test one blade at a time, really, and I'm going to do a proper review on this knife so that I can introduce you guys about Mark II and how it's been used and what I really feel like. I'm going to really do some kind of very fast test on these, how sharp they are. So I'm just going to put this type of advertising paper, Lego paper, just going to sharpness testing. So like, wow. This is such a sharp knife. This type of sharpness you can only get, I thought, you can only get with sharpening with a Japanese stone. I can't talk. I'm just so impressed with the sharpness. I thought this type of sharpness you can only get with Japanese sharpening stones. I mean, it comes very sharp. I mean, wow. I didn't even clean out the blade from that protection tape, but it's still super sharp. Wow. I can just feel how sharp it is by the sound and the feel that I cut. The test that I use to do when I test sharpness is that I do this multiple kind of haircut, like hairline cutting. And then you get all kinds of this small cuts between these papers. Look at this. Yeah, do you see that? How thin it cuts. Yeah, see that? This is how you test your sharpness of your blade. It just cuts very microscopic level. Wow. This is amazing. So sharp, right out from the box. This is something that you should achieve when you use your knife properly. Wow. This is so sharp. Wow. I'm impressed. I never knew you could achieve this sharpness by from the production level that you can just get from your makers directly. I mean, I always sharpen my knives before I use them when I receive a new tool, because I never get satisfied with the sharpness how they make from the makers. But then you can't really get any better than this. It's such a sharp tool, guys. Wow, such a smooth cut. I can just feel it that this is really sharp tool, guys. It is a very sharp. It comes razor sharp, just like if you sharpen it on a sharpening stone by hand. Yeah, so I'm super satisfied with the sharpness as well. This is such a great tool. I'm super excited. I am going to try 3 knives very well and going to do this proper review on each knife. So bear with me, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.